Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today in this ballerina legs workout. As always, we will have 40 seconds on and 10 seconds in between to rest and/or change positions. Let's get started on our back with some regular glute bridges. All 10 toes are placed on the floor, lifting our hips up and down. We squeeze our glutes and slightly tuck our pelvis under. Make sure to engage your core and make sure that one long line is going from your knees towards your shoulders. Keep going, 30 more seconds.
Friend I would be. How low can I go? I think I know how low.
Take a quick 10-second breather, and once again we will be going into a glute bridge once we start in 3, 2, 1. This time in your glute bridge, lift the left leg and we're just going to flex and point that extended leg. Once again, one long line from our shoulders, this time all the way to our left heel. 9 more seconds and then we're going to switch sides. Really feeling that bottom hamstring work on the supporting leg. Let's get ready to switch legs. This time planting the left foot flat on the floor, keeping the hips lifted, extending the right foot. Option here to take your hands off of the floor so all of the work is truly going on the left glute, left hamstring, left calf, engaging our core, squeezing our glutes. 5 more seconds. Go ahead and swing your legs around and get ready for some clamshells with our elbow propped up on the floor so that we are lifting our waist. So let's get started opening that top leg in a clamshell for 40 seconds.
Think it over. I know one day we all die. I'm sure you could learn to despise me, and I could learn to make you cry. How low can I go? I think I know.
Take a quick 10-second breather and let's lay all the way down this time, taking that top leg to open. Plant the toes on the floor, keeping the heel lifted, and we're going to be lifting the bottom leg to engage our inner thigh. Keep doing this for 20 seconds.
I can go low, I go low,
Option here to take a passe, lifting that bottom leg, engaging the inner thigh for the last 10 seconds. And let's swing our legs around and switch sides, beginning with the clamshells on our elbow, lifting our waist on the second side for 40 seconds. Let's get started lifting that top leg to open, externally rotating the top hip. Keep going, 35 more seconds.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even.
Let's get ready for those inner thigh lifts, so lay all the way down, and the top leg is going to be the bottom leg now, and the bottom leg is going to lift and hover off the floor. Don't forget to try the last 10 seconds of that passe lift. Keep going. Go ahead and externally rotate both legs, lifting the bottom leg in that passe lift. So turn it out, take the top leg to retire passe and hold it for the last couple of seconds. For the last exercise, we're going to be on our back with our legs perpendicular to the floor, pointed feet, and you're going to flex the heels down, keep rotating the legs within the hips, and then point the feet, stretch the knees, lift up. Again, bending and flexing, pointing and stretching. Keep going for the last 20 seconds. We'll switch it up. Last one, let's stretch the legs and beat the legs using the inner thighs. Option here to incorporate the core a little bit more and lower those legs. Challenge yourself. The lower the legs go, the more difficult. If you want to lift your head and your neck, option is to do that. And you're almost done in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing work. Guys, you did it. We did it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.